Hey, hi everyone. Basically here is a n8n workflow, and this is a vision calorie counter workflow that we are trying to build, which tracks your calories, suggests workout, generate diet plans, recommend menus, and gives you points for more points for eating healthy food and less points for less eating less healthy food. And we have a leaderboard as well. So n8n is in the back end. In the front end, this is the UI, and basically it understands the user intent. Let's say I ate two samosas. Okay, so it understands your intent is calorie. You say uh, let's say plan 1500 kilocalorie. It understands, let's say for demo user one, it understands your intent as plan. Okay, and it suggests you a diet plan, and it says burn 1500 kilocalorie, and you send the request. It understands your intent as workout. Okay, and basically let's say, and you have uh, basically veg high protein. You tell for less than 200 rupees. Okay, so if you send request, it understands your intent as order, and is order suggestions. And you see these are the leaderboard. Okay, so for the whole video, please check the links in the description below. Okay, I hope this is clear what we're trying to build. Thanks. Let's see you soon in the deep dive longer video.